Yes, my people. Once I have up to 50, I said 24-bit update is coming soon. 24-bit update is coming soon. And here is the 24-bit updates. Once you are up to 50, please just give me a thumb up. Yeah. Once you are up to 50, yeah, we're going. Share. It's breaking news. Yeah. Let's see. Yes, we're going 50. Yes. Once you are 100, 80. Once you are 150, wow, like my family. Wow. Yeah. I'm back to UK. Yes. Yeah. Once you are 200, please share. Breaking news. Boom. I'm breaking my noodle. That news here talking about the red zone. Okay, Nigeria. Wow. Okay. Yes. I can say everyone. Oh, 300. So I can go live now. All right. Guess when you got to tell them where they go. We'll be coming back to London for the Edinimosi. Today, I'll go Mr. De Boy in the house. Epa.
Okay. Anyway,
Usala.
Wadomo, if we sorry in a sackbar. Now, back again, I will sorry again. Why can't you where I sang? I can't why was you on the only Yamuli Beadi? Now we will take two. If you don't know, say, why don't you at you are the Yamu? The way I move, it's so well, very well for body. What I'm body. Or in one. In the Yamurena, you know what I be war. Is a mumuna what? And then is a mumuna what? And then
This why I don't know. He took my other face. You know, we give it a know, we give it and I get you are to now. Oh, correct. Now we get correct. And your mother can do it.
Yes. Want to get out? Go out. Is that what that? Yeah, just go out. Just go out there. Okay, the natural arrival, eh? This way. Yeah.
Are you serious? That. See me and
Share.
My work was set bonny. I saw a person in we never met us where a bear no what where in New York I carry out go. Yana say, and I'm going to
what if I don't wait for
Yes, I don't want to buy. Yes, so
you play life. We are here now. Back again. Yes, instead of the way, and you started to first time for West
yes. Well, we are telling you that you look better. I will not know you. Now you look better. My cat can do one of you.
Oh, yeah.
We better.
I can't do one of you.
I go on with they want to keep me here. They are just this small guy. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun for us. So, London. It's going to be awesome by the grace of God. Starting this Friday at Fridays is going to be non-tanti. This Friday is non-tanti. On Saturday is going to be Liverpool. Sunday is going to be Glasgow. Then the upper week, by the grace of God, is going to be Manchester on the 19th. Manchester on the 18th is Birmingham. Then after that, we'll just rest for a while. Then on the 26th, which is Boxing Day. Boxing Day is going to be London. On the 28th, without no lockdown, it's going to be Dublin, which I know everything's gonna go smooth. By the grace of God. My family, I love you guys. I love you guys. We still got more people. I think about 5 or 6 of them to come this week. Epa, this way. Epa, this way. Epa, this way. We still got about 6 or 7 people to come. But let's see this test. We got about 6 people to come this week. But you know what's good now? I might be in the highway and I'm already calculating that way. I said to pay 2,000 plus for each person in your quarantine, and that 10 days in Birmingham, not Birmingham. Which city again? The first city again. Northampton, Liverpool, and Glasgow. Why do you start? Because then they came out 10 days. Level 3. Yeah, 2 p.m. So I'm about now. Since citizens, the working permit in Yahweh, they might not allow them to fly from Nigeria. So I've told my manager back to see what we can do about it. Rather than anybody waiting to my report because of this law, but thank God the way and West Tasmania were able to change their flight 5 minutes and use Virgin to flying this evening. But I would ask something where you should give thanks to God. That's my most of anything or right find ourselves, we should give thanks to God. In this situation, we should give thanks to God. Yeah, guys, sorry, I cannot mention names. Yeah, let me use this video to thank German people again for the good hospitality I gave to us yesterday. Thank you guys for yesterday. So I'm back to base and I'm about to stay, but because I want to receive our guests. And now we are there now. So I didn't take a picture. If I land on him, what do you have to make? Am I not here? Sorry about this. I'm trying to pay for. Yes, guys. 24 bit. Oh yeah, yes. Oh yeah. Just a minute. Yes, guys. This Friday on the 10th, we'll be in Northampton. Saturday on the 11th, performing in Liverpool. Sunday is Glasgow. 18th is Birmingham. 19th is Manchester. The white 26th is London. 28th is Dublin, Ireland, and then we say the world. I'm saying it is a goal. Guys, when you're so I gotta go. I need to take them to go and rest. Thank you guys. They're really resting and come back together once we're together with this Amorigi. So please just keep following us. Please share. We love you. And thank you for your prayers, your support, your encouragement, your advice. I really appreciate it. Please, all your suggestions you are bringing, you are taking on board. In my reply, why you are taking on board. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, love you, and take care. I might come back later tonight. Bye.